your body, kakara, make a bong 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate. Fine, fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, in my day. Double see, kilo fat. Why now, my lady?
Welcome to LeBlanc Los Cabos.
Thank
Welcome
you.
home.
So much.
Please let me feel for sure.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
So much.
This is coconut milk with a flour, no alcohol.
How are you today?
Good.
How was your day?
Good. They're so sweet. I'm feeling like the queen I am. Hurry. It even looks like it. Like, look at the skin. It's giving Vacay. Like, all that hair. All that hair. Everybody's so nice. A towel, flowers, a massage thing, a butler. What a birthday. What a way to bring in the new age. Okay, what pizza do you want? Oh, you don't eat a lot. They got pepperoni, but you don't be liking meat on it. You can get whatever you want, actually. You want a pasta, girl? Get you a pasta. You want that pizza you want? You ain't gonna eat nothing one bite. Get you that pizza. Get you that pizza, boo. Get you that pizza, boo. Have whatever. You order one thing of everything on the menu. Okay? Don't worry about the bill. Don't you worry. It take care of. Don't you worry about that bill. Don't you worry about that bill, girl. Yeah. We on vacation. Ay. Okay, I eat wrong. Don't get no whooping. That's so funny. She lying. She lying, y'all. This is sorbet, which I love. This is basil and lime. And then you got the chocolate chip cookie. And then she also knew your messages. Okay.
Perfecto.
Alrighty, y'all, so we have got into the room. As y'all can hear the ocean. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but y'all can hear the ocean in the background. We finally got all checked in. I did lay down for like a few, but I'm about to unpack our suitcases in the back. I know y'all can see that. I'm about to unpack that so I can hang it up. For the most part, I'm just chilling today until later on. Gonna unpack the suitcases, relax, because I'm a little tired and it is 4 o'clock. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving everything. The hotel, the view, the sound, everything. Her. It just gives. It gives what it's supposed to give. I don't plan to do nothing today. I absolutely do not. Y'all enjoyed the little room tour that I inserted up in here. The room is like, the videos and the pictures just not doing it enough justice. Like, if y'all can hear the waves right there, okay, that beats any white noise I play at nighttime to go to sleep. Yeah, we're just gonna see where the day takes us. But for right now, it's gonna take me to that closet so I can put that stuff out. So I'll catch y'all when I'm done with all that. Welcome back to another day. This is, I'm gonna say this is officially day 1 in Cabo, because the other day it was a travel day, so which is why I didn't really record much. We did end up going to dinner yesterday. I did not record any of that, okay? I was tired. I got cute. It was a lot. My stomach was hurting. I was not feeling it yesterday. My stomach was hurting so bad. But today is officially day 1 in Cabo. I am about to put in a room service order for breakfast, since we are up already. I did not expect us to be up so early. It's 7:14. I know y'all can hear the waves in the back, like, bye. This was the first outfit that I wore, and I ate that down. Cause who you know? no giving face like that. Oh, it was amazing. Y'all, so as y'all can see, room service is here. We're about to just eat and get back to getting ready for this private yacht ride. So I'm just gonna go over the things that we will be doing. So today on the list we'll So today on the list we have the private yacht. Is at 12, but we have to leave by 11:30. The next day is camelback riding, and then the next day after that will be the spa date. So I think that's it. I'm really not gonna show too much. I ain't gonna show too much, but this is the top. And everybody know this right here. This is a go-to. But this is how this is what it gives. This is what it's looking like. Go halfway, but y'all see. I'm done getting ready, and we literally have like 30 minutes to spare. So. Oils and stuff. So, but I will pick y'all up when we are on our way there. Show what it's giving. Step back a little bit. I'm trying to show too much now. I'm not gonna show too much because I'm not getting Make me. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is large. No, I don't like this. This one. Not that one. You got something real not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Go, yeah. Thank you.
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same.
You would put them lemons on. I told you. So, but it's okay. You want to switch?
Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga confidence. Got me too excited. Yeah.
Lord. You! No way! This girl just faked the shot. Yeah. That girl trying to get me drunk in the ocean. Already scared. Not gonna work. You want to buy something you like? All you gotta do is get in with me. They know I'm a walking ticket.
Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, why is this so funny? Oh yeah, just smell it, alright. Oh yeah,
You wanna get with me, stop it.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Data lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they need over. Rather get the bag and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the hole. Everybody trap up, we get over. Yeah.
Like I was saying, we just got back from the yacht. We changed clothes, and then we about to head down to the beach area. And they got a lot of different stuff down there, but we just about to head. Hold it. Say hold it.
When I grab you with the jabata, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that.
Scale of 1 to 10. What y'all rate this one? I got on. Y'all can't see. I got on these toy birds because I'm not wearing his because my feet was hurting. But that's what it's giving. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we go to the steakhouse that we're going to. On a date, kind of nervous. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. What you know that? Super fat. I ain't lying. Yo. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna eat and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get to the room because I need to get unready, as y'all can see. And I might do that if I can remember. I'll pick y'all back up once we finish eating and I get back to the room. I wish I didn't have on lashes. But get unready.
Too many hoes. But they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be.
Do it, then. I ain't with all the talking. I ain't with all that talking. I ain't with all that talking. Do it, then. You ain't with all that talking. Man, I'm with all that talking. You are. I am. That's the problem. You would think we would be the total opposites. Me? Yeah. Why? Because you're nice people. You're nice, but nice people, they give people chances. But me. You think I give people chances, huh? I do. You don't give people chances?
The last year, so I haven't.
If you mess up, it's one and done, huh?
One and done. Because why would you mess up? You have me. It's crazy. I do. I get somebody a word. What you not gonna do? Just play in my face.
I get a word too.
My man gets the world from me.
Anything I got, you can have. That's why I don't be understanding.
He gives me the world and I give the world. So let me go call him.
I ain't with all that talking. I ain't. That was such a out of the blue. It wasn't out of the blue. What am I trying to say?
Hey, boo-boo.
God dang!
No, I'm not drunk. I'm just excited to see you.
Cause I ain't got no man. That's what she said. That girl thankful.
Too many hoes. I can't hang you. Like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you.
Another day, another slay.
Gracias.
This morning I'm having an omelet.
The pancakes look better today.
They was good yesterday.
But they look better today. They don't look weedy.
But I'm having an omelet. I was supposed to have pancakes, but they forgot them, so I just ordered some more. So that's what we're doing. This is how. Got my pancakes. Also trying to Also trying to edit this vlog. So I got like 30 minutes because I did my hair already. So I'm gonna eat and I'm trying to edit this vlog, and I'll pick y'all back up when it's time to go to the next adventure. Alrighty, y'all, so I have finally got dressed and it is time to go. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like. Y'all probably already see this outfit in my Houston vlog, but I got it on. So this is the fit. Got the Yeezys. So this is the fit. Check out it. Yup. So this is what it gives. This is what it looks like. We are about to head out now. We're supposed to meet downstairs in the lobby at 3:30. It's 3:33 now, but we on our way. My stomach is not happy, but I look cute. Wouldn't you say so?
Welcome to our secret lane. It's not Jurassic Park, it's Tierra Sagrada.
Right here for the drop to stop.
That's enough. Let me get this. I'm gonna chase it.
And I stop.
Stop. But I got my
queen.
Stop. You said stop too fast. No, I didn't. Let me see yours.
Thank you.
Let's see. I got more than you. Let's see.
Excellent. Now,
Girl, barely.
let's make a toast. This is the first bottle of the Tequila Blanco.
You gotta drink it.
Familia, take up your carrito in the air, prepare your lime, tequila always with lime, and we say, arriba!
Arriba!
Abajo!
Abajo!
Al centro!
Al centro!
Pa' dentro!
Para dentro!
Salud!
Salud!
We drink the shot and squish a little lime. This is the Tequila Blanco Familia 30 days after.
Stop. Gotta fucking say stop. Stop. I got more than you. You should have told him stop. Should have said it, Bookie. I forgot. I thought he was gonna stop pouring on his own. He said he gonna run that little Cabos.
Your lime and repeat after me. We say, never above you. Never above you.
Never above you.
Never below you.
Never below you.
Always beside you.
Always beside
Oh,
you.
tequila, I love you.
For tequila, I love you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.
This is tequila.
Stop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stop. You got a little headband. He did. He was like, try to add no more.
Si el mal es del corazón,
Si el mal es el corazón,
un calor.
un calor.
Salud.
Salud.
Cheers. Remember, redeem, shot, free down, and the orange. In that way, you can feel the smoky flavor in your throat. And your
Alrighty, y'all, so we have made it back from my hair look crazy, but we have made it back from the excursion that we did today. I just ordered room service, as y'all can see. I just ordered room service, and now I am actually about to take a shower, actually a bath. I'm about to take a bath, and then I got a headache, a mean headache. I'm about to take a bath, and I need to get to editing, because I have not touched that computer since this morning. That was my first time pulling out the computer. I didn't even touch it when I was on the plane. Y'all was knocked out because that flight was early in the morning. But I'm about to do that. Room service should be here in like 30 minutes, and I should be out the shower. Everything should be good to go. I should be clean, fresh, no makeup, no nothing. Like, I'm so tired. The camera ride was actually, it was the experience. It was like, it was straight. Everything's been straight. I'm enjoying. Like, tomorrow is my birthday. So if you are watching this vlog and you have made it to this point, it is already my birthday. So go ahead and say happy birthday or whatnot, because your girl is supposed to have a good old time. Okay, I do need to get to editing so that something can be uploaded or about to be uploaded, something like that, you know. Just need to get on there, and I just want to chill. I just want to relax. I honestly don't want to leave the room the rest of the night. Out the shower, the room service just got here. I look fresh, I look clean. I might not even wear makeup the rest of the trip because skin is so tea, but I am about to sit down and edit the vlog. You know, y'all know what the vibe is giving, so I'm just gonna catch a little vibe out here, you know, eat, edit. Hopefully this video is complete and done by today. If not, it will be posted soon. Actually, by the time y'all watching this, the prep vlog is already up, so just slide on over there and watch that too. fit check. Cause the body is teach. Yeah. Ice cream do you have?
Vanilla, pistachio, mint chocolate, chocolate.
Can I have vanilla? All right, y'all, I look a mess, but look what they did. This is so cute. So cute, so cute. It says happy birthday because today is your girl's birthday. And yeah, we just came back from the spa. We just came back from the spa. I just got out the jacuzzi, so my swimsuit is wet. So I'm about to take a shower, order some room service, and then probably just chill out. Tomorrow is the day that we leave. Tomorrow's the day that we leave. So yeah, I'm excited for that. At the same time, it's like I don't want to go home, but I'm ready to get back home. Okay, I got things to do. Alrighty, y'all. So it is indeed our last day in Cabo, and I really couldn't be more excited because I'm ready to get back home. I have things to do, honey. The trip was 10 out of 10. It was fire. I love a good beach sound, a little ocean sound. It was fire, can't lie. Brought my birthday in really good, but it's, you know, it's not over yet, you know, whole month. So I'm just ready to get back home, ready to get back in my bed, ready to get back to my space, and until the next trip. Hopefully maybe in the next vlog I'll give y'all like an actual debrief of this vlog, but I'm just ready to close this one out. But like I said, trip was the vibe, trip was everything. But until the next trip, I will see y'all then. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and just stay tuned for more trips, more videos, more tutorials, more life, more everything. Till then, peace.